guys, it is Rhonda Brzozowiec here. If you are getting this video, or if you see this video on YouTube, this is about a brand new program that I just learned about. So for those of you who don't know me, once again, my name is Rhonda Brzozowiec, and I have been a branding and success coach for about a year now in a couple different programs. So it's been very interesting. And I've also been online for about 7 years, learning the online system, how it works. And obviously, I've had many things that worked, many things that have not worked, right? So when I was introduced to this program, I took a look at it and I was extremely excited about what I saw. So I am just going to show you a little bit about it here so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about, right? The name of this program is the Infinity Processing System, and it was developed by a 7-figure earner, 6 figures in multiple different areas, and she's been around for a while. She is very well liked and trusted in the industry, so it was very exciting to learn about that. And the really neat thing about this program that I loved about it when I first saw it was that you actually get 100% commissions. And these commissions are paid directly to you instantly. They're not commissions that you earn and then you get them weekly or bi-weekly or even monthly, like in some systems. They are actually paid directly to you. You set up your payment plans. So as soon as somebody signs up, you instantly get those commissions. So that is a nice bonus and feature that I liked about this program. This program is going to teach you how to market online, and it is truly a done-for-you program. So I am going to show you a little bit here. I'm going to move my picture out of the way here so you can see better. In this system, scroll down. Oops. So in this system, you can see it's a learn about a 300 a day blueprint. This is you get pre-written ads, you get pre-written content that you can use on social media. It is all done for you. That's another nice thing. This program is great for beginners as well as for people who have been in the online space. So here's a little video explaining the system when you first get on to this page. Here's a little bit about me. So you can see I have a nice picture on here. People can connect with me on social media. Gives a little bit of information about me here. How does this system work? So it's actually a simple 3-step system. As you can see, you can start making 100% commissions immediately as soon as you get into the program. Step 1 is you get started, right? You pick one of the levels. There's 3 different levels. There's a $50 level, a $150 level, and a $300 level. So they are all extremely affordable. And I'll go into those levels in a little bit. Step 2, you post these ads or copy on social media. You are told exactly where to put these ads. You are given the copy. You are given professional graphics to use. It's literally done for you. You don't have to do any of that. Step 3, you get paid, right? Start collecting 100% commissions that are put directly into your account, whatever account you pick to get paid. How does it work? Here you go. Here's a little blurb about it. This is for you if you are looking to make some extra income. Tells you a little bit here. These are the 3 levels that I was talking about. So there's a starter level at $50. There is the elite level at $150 and the pro level at $300. Now, then there is an additional $25 admin fee that gives you this 1-page website, which is what you're looking at right here. It's very professionally done. All the links are set up directly for you. So it tells you what the difference is between these levels. I came in at the $300 level because when you come in at the $300 level, as you can see, you are able to sell all 3 levels. If you come in at the elite level, you can only sell elite and starter. And at the starter level, you can only sell the starter level. So I did come in at the $300 level. Tells you exactly what you get. There's your pre-printed ads. You get 60 bonus images. You get a mindset formula, a 7-day success action plan. Literally Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It tells you exactly what to do every single day of the week so that you can have success starting right away. You get closing scripts. You get marketing strategies for Facebook. You get Facebook groups that are good for you to go in. You get YouTube mastery, Instagram marketing strategy. You get a sales funnel. You get written for you emails that you can plug in and put into a funnel. You also get a TikTok marketing strategy. We have 2 Facebook groups. We have one for coaching and to help each other out. We have another Facebook group that is all about proof that you can send your prospects to. You get exclusive live trainings. The trainings are concise, they're to the point. They are literally between 5 and 20 minutes tops. So everything is broken down for you step by step, easy for anybody to do. So, and then you can see that the payment buttons are right on here. And the nice thing is if somebody clicks on these payment buttons, they go right to you and you instantly get your commissions right away. Those buttons go directly to you, not to the company. So here's another video explaining a little bit more to people. So as you can see, this system is really put together well, really put together well. I'm so excited about it. And let me stop sharing my screen here. So anyways, so I'm so excited about this program. It is great for all different areas of social media marketing. And the thing that I really love most about it is that everything is done for you. You don't have to worry about going into Canva or anything, making graphics. Do they look good? Do they not look good? What am I going to write? You literally have pages of copy that you can pick from that are proven to work from a 7-figure earner. So all done for you. And the best part is that those commissions come right to you, 100% commissions right to you. So if you're ready to get started, click the link below this video in the description, and it will take you to my page to get started. I am excited to work with you. If you have any other questions, send me a message on Facebook, and I will be happy to get back to you and answer those. I will see you on the inside.